Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Checkout to take payments from your customers for both one-off products and subscription services. You'll also see how to generate a payment link instead of presenting the payment screen directly to your customer. To open the Checkout page, select Payment Provider Services from the main menu, then choose Checkout. At the top of the page is the Payment Provider Stored Items section. This displays any products you've previously created. Next to each product is a plus icon. Click this to add the product to the shopping basket. Below this is the One-Off Items section. Here you can create an item specifically for the current transaction without first saving it as a product. Enter the item name, description, currency, and price. The item name, currency, and price are required, but it's recommended that you also add a description, particularly if you plan to create a payment link. One-off items are useful when you need to charge for something that isn't already saved as a product. For example, a customer may be purchasing a subscription but also wants to buy a pair of sunglasses during the same visit. At the bottom of the page is the shopping basket, which displays all the items you've added to the sale. Let's look at an example. First, we'll add a saved product to the basket. From the list of stored products, click the plus icon next to Eye Test, which we created in the previous tutorial. Next, we'll add a one-off item. Enter the item name Sunglasses. We'll leave the description blank for this example. Select GBP as the currency. Enter the price as 50.25. Unlike when creating a product, prices entered here use normal currency notation. For example, to charge £50.25, simply enter 50.25. There's no need to convert the amount into pence. Click Add to place the item in the shopping basket. You can add as many saved products and one-off items to the basket as you need. When you're ready, click Continue. The payment page is displayed showing all the items in the basket, along with the total amount due. If you're taking payment in person, you can hand the device to your customer so they can securely complete the payment. A tablet works particularly well for this, making it easy to pass the device to the customer. Once the payment has been completed, you'll automatically be returned to the checkout page. If you decide not to continue with the payment, click Close in the bottom right corner of the payment screen to cancel the transaction. Next, let's create a payment link instead of displaying the embedded payment screen. Payment links are particularly useful for products or services that you sell repeatedly, such as subscriptions. Once created, they are saved and can be reused whenever you need them. From the list of saved products, add the Daily Contact Lenses monthly subscription product that we created in the previous tutorial. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the option Create a Payment Link instead of Embedded Checkout. Select this option. A new field appears asking you to enter a name for the payment link. This is a required field and allows you to give the link a meaningful name, making it easy to identify later. Enter a suitable name, then click Continue. A QR code is displayed on the screen. Your customer can scan this using their mobile device, which opens the secure payment page where they can complete their purchase. The payment link is also saved automatically. You can access it at any time from the Payment Links page, where you can copy the link to send by email or text message, or generate the QR code again whenever it's needed. When your customer opens the payment link on their device, they'll be taken directly to the secure payment page to complete their payment. You've now learned how to use Checkout to take payments in person using the embedded payment screen, and how to create reusable payment links that you can share with your customers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.